the LCP Digital Learning Channel. Today I want to show you how to use Keynote Magic Move to spice up your number talk in the classroom. So let me show you what it looks like and then I'll walk you through the quick way to make it. So here's an example of some number talk. Now what's great about this first is when I'm in presentation mode, I can actually long press, pull up some of those tools at the bottom so I can bring up my little pointer right here, or I can actually let kids give me their examples and I can say, yeah, you're right, there's 2 and 2 and 2. Okay, then I just click and it's going to go to the next one using Magic Move. So it gives it a little bit of interesting view for the kids. And I can even bring in a 10 frame like this so I can show the number talk and again, long press and let the kids tell me and I can say, yeah, you're right. There's 2 on this side and 2 on this side, which would be 4. Okay, and then I can go to the next one and those are going to move to the next Magic Move and Magic Move again. All right, so now let's walk through how to make these in the classroom. So all I'm going to do first is just bring up the icons right here, and I'm just going to use a circle. So all I would need to do is bring in as many circles as I needed. So I'm just plus, circle, plus, circle, plus, circle. So maybe like 10 would be good, and I'm actually going to move them off slide, like so that those are ready to be magic moved in. And again, let's add a couple more. And now that those are off the slide, I'm just going to decide maybe the first one I want just 3. Bring those in, and then on the left-hand side, just touch it, transition, touch Magic Move, and yes. And that's going to duplicate the slide. Then I'm going to press done. Now on this slide, maybe I want one of these to come away, and then these 2 to come in like this. Okay, so let's see what that looked like. So when I press play, there's the 3, and then it's going to Magic Move those 1 out, and then the 2 in. So maybe on the next one, I'm going to touch, transition, Magic Move, yes. And then now maybe I want 3 and 3. So done. Maybe I want 3 on this side like this. And 3 on this side like this. All right, so as you can see, just clicking it, Magic Move, duplicating, and then moving the dots around is a fast way to make some of those subitizing cards, but it adds a little bit of that movement that might intrigue the kids. So I hope that quick tip was helpful. See you next time.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.